Ethereum is testing a crucial support level. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. We are getting very close to 900 Telegram members. For those of you that want to keep an update with my charts as well as my trades, make sure to check out the link in the bio. It is absolutely free. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ethereum analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in $35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see on Ethereum, we were testing a very key midterm resistance level here yesterday at 2073. For those of you that were part of Telegram channel, we managed to catch some very nice profits on this move towards the upside, so congratulations to those of you that have joined. But looking at Ethereum, I mentioned this morning the fact that if volume does not increase, we will most likely see another retest of 2029. Now 2029 is one of those zones, of course, that we have seen quite a bit of choppy ranges. You can see that we've seen multiple retest opportunities on this support. Breaking above the zone, retesting it as support before that continuation is exactly what I mentioned to you guys in last night's video on Telegram, is a possibility and a strong confirmation before we continue pushing higher. Now, of course, if we do end up seeing a candle close below 2029, then that would be bad news from a bullish case scenario where we could be looking for a situation like this. But as of right now, you can see from yesterday's fake out, we do have some strong volume coming in, but ideally we want more confirmations before we continue. For those of you that are a little bit more conservative, all you really have to do in this range is just pay attention to 2072. If we can manage to break above this wick high on the third retest, once again, usually on the third retest we tend to see a breakout. You can already see that we've seen two tests on this confirmation. This would become the third test if we manage to hold above 2029, which would end up being the break formation that we are looking for. I am still heavily focused on the 2300 target. Ideally, this consolidation zone is something that we want to see after a massive breakout. For those of you that have watched my videos a long time ago, you know that I warned you guys back when we were trading at the 21-22 range, the fact that we didn't see any sort of pullback. This was more of a fake out situation. You can see that we saw a massive rally on the 4-hour time frame with zero pullback, then another rally, then we started to create a BART formation. Right now's current price structure is not a BART formation. Instead, it is a larger consolidation zone while retesting 2029 as support. That's exactly what you want to see before another leg towards the upside. Now, everything, like I told you guys, from a bearish case, because I'm sure some of you guys are wanting to swing short this position, the main confirmation you want to pay attention to from a short are these two levels here at 1936 and 1911. As long as we hold above this zone, then this is still going to act as a larger consolidation zone like this. 21-22 as resistance, 1936, 1911 as support. Everything in between, of course, it gets choppy. You guys know that our main indicator for the in-between remains to be at 2029. Trading above 2029, we have a stronger bias towards the upside because of the fact that you can see from previous price analysis, this level, although was tested multiple times, this was the ideal bounce zone that we saw so many times into 21-22. The more times that 21-22 level is tested, the weaker it becomes, and that's exactly what we want from a stronger short squeeze. But of course, if we manage to get a candle close retesting as resistance, then we are more than likely to head back into 1936, 1911, which I do not want to see, because if that were the case, then that would also be the third test opportunity on support. With consolidation zones, they get extremely tricky when you come down to trading, so you want to be very, very careful when you are looking for these entry points. This is why I teach you guys to wait for the candle close before deciding what you want to do for the next move. A lot of traders get a little too greedy. For example, I noticed that there were a ton of shorts that were opened on this at 1936, hoping for the fact that this was going to be the drop. But again, for those of you in Telegram, we waited for the candle close, got the confirmation that this was not a breakout, and we started looking for those long entries back into 21-22. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in $35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have